Today we will unbox a brand new Apple iPad together. However, I will not delve into all the features in detail. There are hundreds of videos on YouTube doing that. This video aims to share an immersive unboxing experience, as if you were doing it yourself. Along the way, I will also touch on the top 5 reasons I love the iPad mini and why it will always find a place in my travel bag. Firstly, it's the size. The iPad mini is not too big like the iPad Pro, nor too small like your iPhone. The 8.3-inch display is just the perfect fit. This device can be held comfortably in your hands, making a great deal of difference, especially when you are on the move, in bed, on a train, or on a flight. The size makes it easy to carry around, attach a keyboard, and quickly type out an article or email. You can even watch a movie or read your favorite magazines or blogs. Second reason is the power pack performance. Equipped with the A15 Bionic chip, the iPad mini 6th generation delivers fast and efficient performance, making it capable of handling demanding apps and multitasking with ease. And the Liquid Retina display with True Tone and wide color support offers vibrant colors and sharp visual, making it a great entertainment handled. Third on my list is the inclusion of a USB-C port, which allows for faster charging and data transfer, as well as compatibility with a wider range of accessories and external devices. This is a great feature, making our lives so much easier. I'm sure you know what I mean. Not to forget, it also supports the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. Next on my list is connectivity. Supporting Wi-Fi 6 and 5G capability is great to have too. I also recommend choosing the 256 GB disk space over the SIM card functionality, if that makes it more affordable yet more functional. Finally, it's the battery life that makes it all the more usable. The iPad mini 6th generation offers up to 10 hours of battery life when browsing the web on Wi-Fi or watching videos. If using a cellular data network, the battery life is up to 9 hours. Okay, done with all the talking. I hope you found these points useful. The unboxing continues, and I hope you found this video helpful. Let us know your thoughts about the iPad mini in the comments. We would love to hear from you.